We're back to do another video. I'm going to show you guys something very interesting that we're going to do today. We're going to change out our stock shifter. And as you guys know, it's a 2001. So with the added years on it, you'll start to notice that you start getting a lot of play inside there. But I want something a little bit more precise. So I got myself a agency power short shifter
from partsforyou.com,
which we're going to install today. So stay tuned. Before I get started, I just wanted to show you some of the tools that you're going to need in order to get the short shifter installed. You're obviously going to need your permanent marker, a knife, channel lock, 19 mil wrench. You're going to need your extension, your ratchet, pliers, a 10 mil, and then you're also going to need a 5 mil, 6 mil, and then you're going to also need a T20 and a T30 in order to get everything installed. Alright guys, in order to move the end attachments, all you're going to do is push up and then turn to the right, and that will lock it in place. And as you can see, your cables will just lift up and then they come out. When you put it back in, turn to left, turn to the left, that locks the cables back in. Just wanted to show you guys a video of that. Alright, so when it comes to removing these two cable clips, I found it's easier to just pinch these sides here and slide it off versus trying to break it with a flathead screwdriver. So again, all you want to do is pinch these two sides and it will slide right out. Now that you've done that, we need to get these cables out. So in order to do that, again, you're going to squeeze it on both sides and then it'll just pop right out. So again, squeeze both sides and then pull up. Alright, so now we've lifted up the cables, we need to get these 4 screws out. There's one here, and obviously there's 2 up here. That's going to be your 10 mil socket that you're going to use. Now that we've taken that out, you just need to pop your bushing off, because this is what's going to go on the new one, and just put it aside. If you have a green inner plate, you're going to need to take that off. So we're just going to pop that off here. But in the instructions I've seen online, it says to remove it. We have now reached the point of no return. This is where it comes down to, are you ready to make the cut? We need to cut the stock bushings off. Now that we have the bushings out, as you can see here and here, I find those gave me the most trouble getting those stupid bushings out. But anyways, now that they're out, we can start getting everything assembled. There is another piece right here which slides back and forth with the shifter. You're not going to need it. You're just going to place your short shifter inside and you're good to go. So let's get the assembly restarted. Alright, I'm not going to lie, I did have some trouble. Spent about a good 30 minutes just trying to get this all assembled. I found the hardest part was, again, trying to get the shaft to connect into here. So I had to disassemble this just to get this in, and then reassemble everything back together. And then what you're going to do is make sure you put these clips in. Then there is a O-ring, and that's pretty much it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to attach back this piece here, put some lithium grease on it, tap it with a hammer very lightly, and then put it back in, bolt it up. So the shifter cable that we took off earlier, what we're going to do is we're going to put some lithium grease back on it, and then we're going to pop it back onto here. Once you've got that all installed, all you're going to do now is put back on your center console and just do it in reverse from how we started. And that is how you install a short shifter. I want to send out a special thank you to Felix from partsforeuro.com. This is where we got the agency power short shifter from. Absolutely great service, well-knowledge staff, and shipping is amazingly fast. Again, thank you, Felix, from partsforeuro.com.